Okay, challenge for this video: how to increase your sales on Amazon without launching new products. To help me accomplish this mission, I'm going to be introducing you to our partner Milsho from S4AMZ, based out of Bulgaria, and we're going to be discussing how you can right now expand and start selling on Amazon in Europe. So let's get started. If this is your first time watching a video on this channel, hi, my name is Crystal and I'm the founder of Amazon Sellers Society and Sellers Society. We are a certified Amazon service provider and we work with sellers just like you that are based and selling, not necessarily based, but selling on Amazon in the Middle East, Amazon UAE, Saudi Arabia, Egypt, as well as Turkey. Now, of course, a lot of you love this region just like we do, but one of the beautiful things about selling on a marketplace like Amazon is that you can expand. It might be a little bit difficult to try to understand the different marketplaces and the governmental regulations that are required, and hence why I thought it would be great to introduce you to one of our partners who are a service provider agency but focused on Amazon Europe, and they are also part of our community, and you can discover a little bit more about what it takes for you to start selling on Amazon in Europe. So let me introduce you to Milsho.
So Milsho, even though this might seem like it's a no-brainer for both you and myself, but why should somebody consider selling on Amazon in Europe in particular?
Okay, Crystal. Why the sellers should sell in Europe? First time, the Europe is the second largest market from Amazon. Actually, the first is the United States, but the second is the European. Yeah, this is the reason it's very popular in Europe, and is very good to customers there.
You know, the difference is we said Europe because it's like the whole entire continent, and Amazon in Europe has so many different marketplaces. Sellers can select to sell on just like one marketplace, like maybe just Spain, or they can select to sell on multiple marketplaces, which makes it a very unique opportunity. But with that being said, there are certain difficulties for entering into the European market, whether you are someone that doesn't live in Europe, or even if you are based in Europe. What are the difficulties that you find with people that you've supported and worked with at S4AMZ? What are the main features that we can identify so that people watching the video can know what to expect?
You are right. The Europe is the home market, but actually inside got the 10 different countries, which Amazon is open, and they got the own domain. For example, you say the Spain, but they got .de for Germany, for France, United Kingdom, also is including in the European market. Yes, you can sell only in one market if you want, but open the European account, you can ability to sell an opportunity for all the markets. That means you can be the pan-Europe seller, which means you can sell in every country in Europe, which Amazon got the business there.
Great, but what are the difficulties that you find?
Difficult, yeah, especially for the forester, which never not be in Europe and don't know what is actually how the European economic work. It's very hard to come here because in Europe we have special rules, and this is the really hard part. Amazon is the platform which implement to any country, and the platform should follow all the rules in the specific country. For example, you have one rules in German and total different rules in France, for example. But the hardest part to be compliant of all the necessary things to be started. That means you should got the VAT number in the country. You should got the EPR compliance, which is specific for the Europe. You also should have the OSS. This is the specific also in the Europe. And also the product should be compliant for all the European stuff.
That's a lot of compliance.
That's a lot of compliance for any country. Is the different, of course, depend on the category and the product, of course, but the much hardest product like nutrition and stuff which eating put on the skin or etc. should be 100% compliance for the full European rules.
So Milsho, before I ask you the last question, I want everyone to know that S4 AMZ supports sellers on Amazon and other marketplaces as well in Europe. And if anyone is interested for entering into the European market, I'm going to leave a link in the description box of the video where they can add their information, and then you and your team can contact them and get them to be onboarded. And this is a special program that both Amazon Sellers Society and S4 AMZ are working together on. So we're very, very excited for everyone to contact you and to come into the European markets. But tell us a little bit more about S4 AMZ and what you guys do in, specifically services for sellers on Amazon in EU and other marketplaces. So tell us everything.
Okay.
Where to start? Yeah.
As for Amazon, is the agency, is the service provider agency, and based in Europe. For that, we're working primarily with Europe, and we know everything from for the Europe actually. We are official part of the Amazon agency program. And at the moment, we are the gold partner of Amazon in Europe. That means for us, don't have any problem to enter a new account, to create a new account, and any difficulty which the regular sellers see in Amazon, we can pass very quick, really very quick. This is one of the main point to work with agency like us. You also tell we support another channels. Yes, in Europe is very specific because Amazon is here in any country, but any country got different marketplace also. For example, in German, we got the Kaufland.de. In France, we got the Cdiscount. This is the local platforms, which is also very big, and they have very good sales. They work similar like Amazon, like a marketplace. And what we do, we focus primarily in Amazon. We do Amazon. This is our expertise and everything, and I can say we can support from any part of the business in Europe in Amazon. But when the seller do the expense to come to Amazon, when you got the VAT, when you got the copywriting of the German languages, for example, when have all the setup, we very easy just can open the Kaufland and just migrate the offers there. And one more thing which is very interesting, because the Kaufland and Cdiscount got, but Kaufland not yet, they got the fulfillment center. For example, if you want to sell in Kaufland German, you should find the fulfillment center and all these things. But now they got the integration with Amazon API. That means official, you can send the goods from Amazon warehouse to the Kaufland customers. And how I said, we've been in Europe. Europe is very difficult because too many languages, too many cultures, too many difference between the consumers. We know that, and we can find a way to going to the right consumers for the product.
Make sure that you reach out to Milsho and the S4 AMZ team. I'll leave all of the details in the description box of this video. As always, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Make sure that you hit the thumbs up button and you leave me your comments and questions in the comment section below. I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.